great little spot right here with the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string right there that comes from this. And so I'm hitting that note on the 2nd fret right there, then sliding up a whole step. And that carries on to this box. 3 on the B, 5 on the B, 3 on the high E, 5 on the high E. So middle finger, 2nd fret of the G, pick, then slide. Then index is going to be on the 3rd of the B, and I'm going to hit that real quick back to that 4th on the G. So it looks like this. Middle finger again, but slide back to the 2nd fret. And then this is going to be a cool bluesy thing where we're adding the major 3rd of the E chord here. So we're hammering on from the open G to the 1st of the G. So you put that together. After that, we're going to go middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, which is the root, the E note.